Hey, Toyota Beasley Facebook fans, this is Chaz again here at the Pre-Owned Center. Now I'm going to tell you one thing, all you guys that went to go down to Florida to watch your Clemson Tigers play, you were pretty smart. It's pretty chilly out here today. In fact, with this temperature, I ought to have my snow skis on, be skiing someplace, but I'm here at work today. But this is the end of the year for us. Got some new inventory to show you. Have a real rare Tundra here. This is our Ranch Edition. This is a 22 model. It only has over 7,000 miles on it. It's our 1794, comparable to the King Ranch, to the high countries out there. But this vehicle's finished off. It's got everything on it. This is our new Tundra. They're fantastic vehicles with the twin turbo V6 engines with the 10-speed transmissions. Great vehicle, a lot of warranty, and what can I say? It's a Toyota. Been selling Toyotas here since 1999. This is a great vehicle, and this is selling for $59,950. I've only seen one other one in the last year, so you need to come and get it, especially if you're looking for that upper trim level. I mean, this is four-wheel drive with the power running boards, equipped just great. So the next one I'm going to show you is just the previous version of it. A lot of people still like a little larger truck, a little bit more room in the back seat, but this is a 2021. It only has 49,000 miles. It's the 5.7 4x4 at a bargain price of $39,950. So don't hesitate. It's not going to last too long. Got a great luxury car here. Kind of touched on it yesterday. This is a 2020 Lexus RX 350. If you think a Toyota is quiet, I mean, that's a Toyota, our upper end, it's even more quiet. They must use more sound deadening material. It's unbelievable. The car is a phenomenal car. It only has 40 miles in the 40s, absolutely has everything on it. That car probably new is in the mid-50s, close to 60, and it's $39,950. It's got a lot of Lexus warranty left over. Their basic warranty is a 4-year $50,000, 6 years $70,000 on the powertrain, but it's got the super comfortable seats, the ventilated, heated and cooled seats. It's got the memory seats. You actually have an electronic steering column that raises and lowers, and all your settings are captured once you hit the presets. So you hit it, sit in it, hit your button, and your settings are all there. So a fantastic ride. Number one selling for the SUV in the Lexus. So got another Lexus here. This is like their baby Lexus. It's kind of set on the platform of a RAV4. This is a 2-liter though versus the 2.5, but it's a great riding vehicle, finished off, all the leather, just phenomenal. Miles in the low 30s. All these Lexuses have low miles and under $35,000. Where can you go and buy a Lexus and drive a Lexus for less than $35,000? And I like the interior. That is just jazzy. I like the Lexus. They get a little bit more gutsy. Toyota Lexus get a little bit more gutsy with their interiors, but that sort of reminds me of BMW interior. It really sets off the black color on this car. So this next car is probably my very most favorite car. In fact, Jay, who's our internet manager and does all these videos, his wife drives this version in a limited. And I'm going to tell you a little quick story. I sold my niece a Lexus, this vehicle, the Venza Limited. She only, unfortunately, had it for only 4,000 miles until she got rear-ended by somebody going about 75, 80 miles an hour. And when I saw her just a week before Christmas, she said, "Tell your Toyota customers that everything worked, because as soon as I got hit through the Safety Connect, they went ahead and called me, made sure we were okay. They called her husband, called the ambulance and everything, so it all works." And she still attributes, now she got a concussion, and she's, still having some issues from her injury, but she said because it's Toyota, she knows that she was safe. We couldn't get her this car again because the time span was too good. She went up into a Highlander, which she likes that too. But this is a Lexus with the Toyota name on it. this car is phenomenal. I mean, it's finished off so beautiful. This is a hybrid. It's going to get you 38 to 40 miles per gallon. It is all-wheel drive. I mean, it's just finished off fantastic. This has the heated seats, power liftgate, moonroof. I mean, super, super quiet. The Chromecast wheels, the JBL sound system, the presets, everything. I mean, and that's one thing that my niece really misses are ventilated, heat and cooled seats, especially in Florida. So phenomenal, phenomenal, phenomenal. I hope Toyota never stops making this car. I love this car. So the next one over, we got another SUV too, just something in a really good price point. That's a 2020 Kia Sorento, miles only in the 40s, $21,553. I mean, where are you going to drive an SUV for that price point? You can't even get a Mitsubishi, whatever they call those things, and those things are garbage as far as I'm concerned. But that's a nice, roomy, 5-passenger SUV. Been around for a long time. Will give you a lot of good service. Again, low miles. And then last car is just, I have a Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry's been the #1 selling car for almost 20 years in a row. And it really still is today, even though a RAV4 is the #1 selling car, because the RAV4 is sitting on that chassis. That's a 21 model with only 39,000 miles for $25,226. You have the honeycomb grille, the alloy wheels, a sport bucket seat, a little rear lip spoiler. You have a leather shift knob, leather steering wheel. This car, if you don't know, this car has 10 airbags. There is not another passenger car out there that has 10 airbags, because you have a driver knee airbag, you have a passenger airbag in the seat, plus you have 2 side airbags back here for extra protection in case the glass gets blown out. So 10 airbags. The normal manufacturer has 6. At airbags at $3,000 a piece, that's over $12,000 worth of extra safety value that Toyota gives you. Toyota, not only reliability, safety. Safety is really their #1 concern, and then reliability. So we're here. We wish you all a Happy New Year. We're glad, for your past business. We're looking forward to your future business. You need something, please give me a call. Chaz here at Toyota Beasley. Thank you.